Hi, this is Cookie. We put her on a sit, trying to take some photos and video, and look at how good she is. She's been sitting here and going down. Very smart girl. Look at her, all relaxed. Hey, good sit and good down. Good job, Cookie. All relaxed already, going on a down. That's really good. We're going to teach her some obedience training. We're going to go sit and down. Come on, Cookie, come. Can you come? Get up. Okay. Good sit. Okay. Good sit. Yeah. Cookie, come. Cookie, come. Cookie. Cookie, come. Sit. Good sit. Good sit. First time, first day, we're going to teach her. I know she doesn't know the command yet, sit and down, but I think she's going to slowly get it. She's going to be very, very smart. Can you do it again for me? Okay. It's going to get up. Okay. Cookie. Can you go sit? Can you go sit? Good sit. Good sit, girl. So smart. Good sit, girl. Can you go down? 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 And more relaxed. Good girl. More relaxed. Good girl. She's so gentle. And so sweet too, right, little girl? Are you going to be a little girl? All sweet? Yeah? Good girl. She's going to be very smart. We're going to keep working on her. Yeah? We hope she gets fun at home soon because she's so loving. So sweet. Yeah? Good girl. Good girl. Good baby. What a nice girl. What a nice girl. I'm going to give you a hug first for being so good, okay? Good hug. First day, I'm a stranger to her, and she's doing so well. Such a good girl. Yeah?